Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2021 Kia Stonic S, stock reference number 4864. This shape runs from the 8th month 2020 and is the current shape. It has a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.